Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be creating this gorgeous pastel set, so keep on watching.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
So of course I'm going to start by sharing some of the products that I'll be using. First off is Lilac Rose from Nailmate, and then I'm also going to be using powder blue and one of our new glitter mixes. This one is called Funtopia, and honestly it's jam-packed with just beautiful goodness. It is available now, and as always I'll leave all the products that I'm mentioning in the description box down below with the link as well. I'm also going to be using the number 12 Rainbow Aqua Brush, which is the one that I've been using quite a lot as of late. I think I'm going to switch it up and use another one soon. I do love all of our brushes, of course. I've tried and tested them, so I do like to switch it up and give all of them a go. I'm also using Nude Attitude, and then I also always finish off my practice hands with some cuticle oil at the end, just to make it look more presentable. I'm using a new nail tip which we do have available now on the website. These are the straight coffin nail tips, and they are a basic straight salon style coffin tip. They have a short well area and they don't curve down, so they go straight out from the side walls, and they are super easy to apply, and I just absolutely love how they look. Plus it means that you're not going to get any waste. If you do want just a coffin shape, you're not having to trim anything down. Simply apply, add your product and refine. So I'm coming in and applying those with the instant nail glue. So the practice hand that I'm using today is the flat, I think it is the right hand. Yeah, I'll link it down below if you guys are interested, and I'm also using it with the flexi tips as well, and then applying the straight coffin tips over the top of those. Once I've finished applying my tips, I'm coming in with Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply my clear base. So this gives us a nice even surface to work on, and it just also ensures that the adhesion to the natural nail is going to be as strong as it possibly can be. If you haven't already, I would love if you could go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well. I am so enjoying making like more consistent content, so I'm really, I don't know, I'm just so excited because I'm literally being more organized, and that is my goal. I keep saying that, but this time I'm holding myself to it and I'm making sure that I do it. We always have so much to do with the business, the kids, home life, just generally everything. So something always gets kind of pushed to the side, but I'm working on making time for everything, like quality time for everything. So yeah, it's going good so far, and I hope you guys are enjoying seeing more content. So now that I've finished with the clear base, I'm going to come in with Lilac Rose, and I'm applying this to the most part of this nail. It's going to be Lilac Rose and the Funtopia glitter mix. I'm just blending it down the nail, making sure that it's nice and even and seamless, and then just come in with another cuticle bead just so that I can really get that colour tucked right up there, making sure that it is as neat and as even as possible. I love just a beautiful looking cuticle application. So if you don't get it right in kind of the first bead, don't be afraid to go back in with another. I'm coming in now with Funtopia at the end, and I've just picked that up with a little bead of clear acrylic, and because the acrylic on the nail is still wet, the colour, it's going to apply really nicely to that. I'm just making sure to move it around and ensure that all the pieces are laying flat, and when you're applying your glitters you do want to make sure that you do that, because if anything's sticking out or hanging off the nail, it's just going to be difficult when you come to file and encapsulate as well. So I'm moving on to the next nail, and this is going to be a 2-colour ombre. So first I'm applying the powder blue, and this is such a beautiful gorgeous baby blue pastel colour. I absolutely love it, and I'm ombreing that with Lilac Rose, and you'll see that because our colours are super pigmented but also super buttery, how effortless. Look at that blend. I'm literally just blending it down the nail, and look, it literally looks like I've been spending all day trying to get that ombre and that blend. it just melts into one another. I absolutely love the consistency and formula that we have with our powders. So yeah, I'm coming in with the cuticle bead and then blending that down, and I think I leave that nail as it is. Moving on to the next nail, I'm coming in, I'm going to apply Funtopia towards the free edge of this nail, and then I'm going to be blending down the Nude Attitude cover powder over the top. So this will effectively be a glitter free edge with an ombre of the core powder. And I'm just moving around the glitter to make sure again that it's covering the pieces, that the area that I want, but also that the pieces are laying flat and, you know, just nice and even. I do come in if I'm feeling like I need a bit of like one particular shape or one particular colour of sequin or glitter on there. I just pick up individual ones and apply them where I want. So like the blue star, I'll just pop that extra in there just so that it's not all on one side and that it looks a bit more thought out as such. So damn. Excuse me, I just had a little bit of a coughing fit there. I just had to have a little sip of my tea. But yeah, I'm applying that Nude Attitude, and this is such a beautiful, stunning nude colour. Absolutely love it. One of my favourites as well. And yeah, it just blends so beautifully. So yeah, I'm just dragging it down the nail over the top of that glitter, and it just looks as though that glitter is disappearing under the cover powder. I'm coming in with this next nail, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply Lilac Rose to the free edge, blending it down the nail, and then I'm going to come in with powder blue towards the cuticle area. And I'm not sure if I actually do also apply Nude Attitude, which effectively is a 3-colour ombre. I'm just going to come in with Nude Attitude now and blend that down over the top. So this nail is a 3-colour ombre, and then I'm going to come in with Funtopia Loose Glitter and apply that on an angle across the nail. I just love incorporating these into designs, and you guys can see if you look back on my sets, I do always tend to add and just throw this in there because it's another nail that looks really effective and kind of goes with anything. As long as you tailor the colours to match the set that you're creating, it just looks super pretty. Moving on to the thumbnail, I'm going to go ahead and apply Lilac Rose to the entire nail. Initially I was just going to do it as one solid colour, or maybe add a little bit of the glitter onto it, but then I decided to do a 2-colour ombre. So I kind of applied Lilac Rose to the entire nail and then came in with powder blue to the free edge and blended that up, and this ombre worked out beautifully and it really just matched and blended in with the whole set. So next I'm going to come in, and all the nails will need encapsulating to protect the ombre and the glitters. So I'm using Nail Mate Crystal Clear Acrylic, and I'm going to encapsulate the entire set. So I'll let you guys watch that, and then I'll be back for the next step. I did file and buff off of camera, and then I'm going to come in with Nail Mate Super Gloss No Wipe Top Coat, and I'm going to apply this to the entire set and reveal that gorgeousness, that beautiful shine and pigment and beautiful just everything. Honestly, I love top coat reveals. I love seeing those nails come to life. I could watch them all day long. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to cure in the lamp for a full 60 seconds and share the final results with you guys. So I'm going to leave you guys to watch the top coating in peace, and I'm not going to ramble on too much. So I hope you enjoy this part. Okay guys, so this is the final result after curing in the light. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, just have an amazing day or night wherever you are in the world, and always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.